Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the Daily SPY Report for Tuesday, January 4th, 2022. Before I jump into the charts, just please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY Report. It does, believe it or not, help me out a great deal with regard to the search results, search engine results we get on YouTube when people, inquire about SPY trading or the S&P 500 or so forth and so on. And also subscribe. Subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. It'll provide you notification whenever new content is uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. That includes the Daily SPY Report, the Daily Triple Q Report, the weekly DIA, the weekly IWM, and soon and upcoming over the next couple of weeks, the weekly Bitcoin, as well as a free stock pick every week, along with an assortment of other analytical videos that we put out on a pretty regular basis. So, let's take a look at the charts. I've been mentioning this band, this channel band between 475.29 and 479.39. We broke the 475.29 channel top early in the day on Monday, but we didn't spend a lot of time below it. And in fact, we clearly settled above it, and we keep settling above it. And so long as that remains a fact, I still maintain a 2 to 3 week buy signal up above in the upper 480s now. Now, along the way, of course, we have 479.39, and that is a level, and I still have them weighted equally, just so you know. I'm still also holding to the 2 to 3 week buy signal above 475.29. I know it seems to be a bit of a contradiction. I just don't want to get overly, especially for those of you who are position traders, to overemphasize 475.29. If we close below it, then we have a failed buy signal, a 2 to 3 week sign of weakness. And I'll get to that in just a moment. But 475.29, able to contain selling into later week, and above which, probably today, I'm guessing, 479.39 in reach, where we might actually top out into later week. But closing above 479.39, and that may actually happen today, would then set off, I think, an accelerated climb rally into that upper 480s, where we could actually reach it. I don't know about, I think in one of the lines, 3 to 5 day target, 489.11 becomes a 3 to 5 day target above 479.39. With heightened volatility, certainly. But left on its own, with the presently restrained volatility that we've had for the last week or so, it could easily spill into next week. Let's just call it 1 to 2 week target if we close above 479.39. And that 489.11, once again, still remains a 2 to 3 week objective above 475.29. Inside of that area, and you can see it actually here, the actual objective in the upper 480s, 487.38 to 489.01, if tested over the next few weeks, can absorb buying into possibly through February trade. From there, we could fall off for a month or so, and inversely, if we close above 489.09, meaningful protracted rally that will continue, I think, into Q2, the 550s or higher anticipated over the following 3 to 5 months. And I'll show that certainly if we approach the upper 480s over the next few weeks. Let's take a look at the support and resistance for today. You can see 475.29 and 479.39, the band of channel resistance and support. The more notable of which is 475.29. In fact, if you look above at 487.38, you see that it remains a 2 to 3 week target above 475.29. At 479.39 is actually in reach today. It can contain buying into later week, but if we close above it, that 487.38 in reach within 3 to 5 days. I was just mentioning how that could easily spill into next week. Now, inside the 475.29 to 479.39 range, we have two minor points at 76.86 and 77.85, both well equipped for aggressive day traders. But if you're more of a position trader, 3 to 5 day swing trader, you're focusing more on those 2-star levels. I do need to throw out kind of the nomenclature, I'm searching for the right word, kind of a key, if you will, what each of these support levels, what is a 1-star, 2-star, 3-star? I mentioned it in a YouTube response a couple of days ago, but I just sort of need to drive that home. And I will put that out later in the week for sure, so you can more clearly understand the difference between a 2 and a 3 and a 4-star level. But I'll just say it right now. 1-star levels can contain up to daily highs and lows. They also include minor points and intraday points. 2-star levels are levels that can contain activity on a 2 to 3 day basis. 3-star levels able to contain weekly highs and lows. They're often trend defining as well, the 3-star levels. And 4-star levels, you can see them way above in the upper 480s, able to contain monthly activity, possibly quarterly activity. Let's talk about the downside, that if we do close, well, actually talk about the support and resistance. If we break 475.29, 473.54 in reach quite easily, and I think 472.40 is likely today where we can bottom out initially, possibly for the day itself. It depends on how or when we break 475.29. If we open clearly below it on Tuesday morning, 472.40 is an easy target, and we may, as the day wears on, continue all the way south to 468.36. But if we break 475.29, in the final hour of the day, 472.40 is likely by the closing bell. And then closing below 475.29, I think 460.41 is likely by the end of next week or sooner. And in fact, over the next few weeks, you should position yourself for that 449.80 to 453.34 region, which is a meaningful zone of midterm support, able to contain selling into February trade, and once tested new highs in reach within a matter of weeks. I'll leave you with the support and resistance for today. Please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY Report. I do appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification whenever our new content has been uploaded, at least on a daily basis. Now, you have a great day, and we will talk tomorrow for Wednesday's Daily SPY Report.